Welcome to the Wealth Investment Group Academy educational channel. In today's video, we will select and discuss a new potential cash-secured put option trade. You will also learn how you can use this safe option strategy to make money most of the time if you use it only on great companies when they are undervalued. Please note that this is only for general educational purposes and is not a buy or sell recommendation. It is as easy as this. We will go over all the trade details and tell you why we think this trade is worth taking. You will also know which stock to buy and how much money you can expect to gain. Now, let us dive into the trade details. Our trade today will be about S&P Global Inc., stock ticker SPGI. Let us discuss the trade details to understand why we think this trade is worth taking. Before we do, let's go over our checkpoints. First, we need to make sure that our company is undervalued. For any company to be undervalued, the market stock price should be less than the intrinsic value, or what is sometimes called the fair value of the company. The intrinsic value for SPGI is $380, and our strike is $265. Then, SPGI is undervalued. Our second checkpoint is to find our support level and decide our strike price. To do that, we need to check if the price has retracted to a good support level. Looking at the chart on weekly candles, we can see that the SPGI is back to this horizontal support line, as you can see there and there. And now, SPGI is back to the same support where the price today is $294. So we think a strike of around $265 would be a very good strike for our trade today, which is around this next horizontal support line, as you can see there and there. So we decided our strike for our trade today to be at $265. Now that we know our support area and we know our strike, the next step is to check the next earning date. Looking at the earning date calendar, we can see that the next earning date for SPGI is on the 27th of October, 2022. Once we know the company's next earnings date, we need to select a contract with an expiration date earlier than that date to make sure that we minimize the risk of unexpected price changes that usually happen right after earnings dates. Now that we know our strike and when is the next earning date, let us move to IBKR Interactive Brokers option page and look at our cash-secured put contract details, check our strike, contract date, and what is the premium that we can expect to collect out of this trade. Now that we are looking at the IBKR option chain, we can see that we are looking at SPGI, and the market price is $293.7. Then if we move to the option chain side and select a contract that will end on the 21st of October, 2022, at our selected strike of $265, we can expect to collect a premium of around $2.2. Then we click on Sell Leg. All the information will go down there. We make sure that we are selling a contract until October 23rd. Strike is $265. It is a put. Delta is less than 0.25. Then we make sure that we are selecting the right number of contracts and the right premium. If you like everything, just go ahead and submit your order. Before you enter the trade, kindly take your time and check all the trade details and make sure if it is worth taking compared to your capital invested. Thank you for watching Wealth Investment Group educational videos.